Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Rodeo Room Show. Hey, I'm kind of excited about these little radios. Um, I found out some more information. I had a question, which was also my question, is where do you find out what version does what? Well, I found it. Thanks to Danny, and I'm going to show it to you in a minute. So this is this one right here is the GOOZEEZOO version, and I forgot who sold this one. I like this one much better because of the big knob, and that's really the basic difference. Oh, it does come with two antennas. This one was options. You had to select which antenna you wanted. This one, it comes with both. So let me show you the web page. This is the GOOZEEZOO that I got and reviewed. As you can see, it comes with two antennas, and it's only $40. So it's very inexpensive. And now, let me see if I can find it. I think this is it right here. This is an example, only example of the firmware you can put in these radios. And this is one that has several iterations. You can see the latest iteration is 2.11, and that was just released, like yesterday. And here's the changes that were made. And then here's the previous version, changes that were made, so on down, so on. So you can see there's lots of versions here. Now I have updated the white one of the two I have with this version, 1.08. The black one, the GOOZEEZOO one, I went backwards. I put in 0.3, and yesterday I sent an email to the nice people at GOOZEEZOO asking them what was in there before I messed it up and changed it. And they sent me the answer right here. There's what comes in the radio, their radio. So you can see this is a pretty new version. This is 1.09, dated April 3rd, 2025. This is a much newer version than I put in there. So I went backwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for it all. I'm going to go with the latest version. That is wherever I had it here, someplace. Oh, I lost my page now. Oh, it's right there. It's right behind there. I'm going to go all the way to 211. Now, what I said before is this is, I think, let me see if I can go back a page. Yes. Okay. This is, excuse me. This is the top level page of this particular group of firmwares. This is called the ATS-Mini, and lots of information here. And then there's an example, and these are the authors that this firmware is based on. Several people working on this. And then you go down to here, which is what I showed you before, is the various releases. I'm sorry, I'm confusing you. But what's exciting, and I'm one of those people that like to tinker. You could tinker with this radio via the firmware updates. Now, there's always the risk that you can make it dead. You can brick your radio. So keep that in mind before you go making these changes. Use Danny's that I told you about in the previous use. Use his website. Learn how to do it. Learn from his mistake. He thought he had bricked one of his radios, but turns out he was able to recover it. So watch his videos. Watch them several times. Try to follow them. You will find that when you do it, it will be slightly different depending on your computer and what version of Windows you have on your computer. So keep that in mind. But it's a lot of fun. I think you should do it. It's not a big loss if you do brick it. It's $40. But just a little warning that you could, in doing these updates, brick it. And I'm going to go ahead and try this latest version. I don't know if I'll go through, I'm not going to go through step by step each of these versions and upload them and try them and see if it still works. I'm just going to go from 1.8, 1.08, which is what I have in the white version of my radios, to this one up here, 211. Okay, that's it. Have fun. Have a great day. Bye-bye.